Today is the October 1st. This is the official set of the LED wall. They're still working on the middle section, that's why it looks different. But this is the LED wall all the way around. Got my man Dean Zimmerman A1 M7. We have the long throw lens. We got Matt on camera. I'm on house right camera over there in the corner. And we got Thomas on house left corner camera in that corner right there. We have some spots. They have a little dance tonight. We have 2 spots. One is over there. But this is the LED wall. We got the clusters up top. Alright, they're still working on it, so they turned it off on us, but we're over and out. This is DNA Tim, they're from Brazil. Got the clusters up top. Alright, 10-4.